threats in the tropical rainforest. Here are some examples. This is where slash and burn agriculture takes place. The biggest threat to the tropical rainforest is deforestation. That's where people cut down trees for farming!
The rainforest is globally important because it gives homes to all the wonderful and beautiful animals in the world. And the second reason, it gives off carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, which gives us beautiful oxygen. Temperature during the day in the tropical rainforest is 93 degrees Fahrenheit.
And during the night, 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
The average rainfall in the tropical rainforest is up to 400 centimeters.
Or 157.5 inches. A native plant in the tropical rainforest is the epiphyte. It derives its moisture and nutrients from the air and rain. It lives in the canopy where it attaches to their hosts. Another plant in the tropical rainforest is banana tree. It grows in a bunch so the wind will not throw it off. It has a protective outer layer.
The Mamara, the Joe National Park, the Cabo Orange National Park, and the Cato State Park.
One of many species in the rainforest is the snake. And the snake adapts to the rainforest because it camouflages in with the trees and the ground.
Okay, end it. Oh my god, look at all these freaking birds.
Alright, take a picture of me throwing a rock at it.
The geographical distributions are near coast, the equator, and rivers.
Endangered species in the tropical rainforest include the orangutan, the toucan, and the golden lion tamarin monkey.
One of the recreational activities in the tropical rainforest is lake swimming.
The activity is trail walking.
Another recreational activity is to go fishing.
Look at that!
Tropical fish!
Other biomes are grassland, deserts, and water.
Some of its abiotic features include rocks, water, and temperature.
If the climate were to change from hot to cold, it would be very bad. The plants would die because it's so cold and it's used to hot. And then the animals would die because they don't have anything to eat. And then the cycle would go on and it's very bad.
temperatures for the tropical rainforest. The day is 60.
The biggest threat to tropical rainforest. The biggest threat.
Smack that!
The biggest threat.
One of the many
You didn't get that, did you?